Okay guys, the first place we're going to go into is Tomorrowland. I'll get a photograph. Okay guys, when you come here, well we've decided to go on a really scary ride first, haven't we?
Orbitron it's called.
Orbitron. When you come here, you queue up and they actually tell you which, Orbitron. They tell you which one you're going in. And you know what? It's not a long ride, so we'll soon be moving on. Are you excited? So you got your ears. Absolutely belting down this sun, isn't it? 20 to 11 and it's roasting. And I've got a lever to push. What more could you want? Here we go. Obviously because that's a man lever, I'm just going to keep it right to the top. Until I get too high and then I'm going to poop myself and pull it down. Oh, I tell you what, that throws you out, doesn't it? I'm glad I'm on the inside.
Really?
Yeah. I get a nice cushion. I get a nice cushion against my shell. Yeah, off we go. Our lever doesn't seem to be working. I think. Yeah, there we go. Whatever, so. Space Mountain. Something else. Spaceship. Planet. Space Mountain again. And that's it. Whee! Oh, we're sinking. Oh, that's where we're going next, the Iron experience. Well, there you go, first ride in Hong Kong Disney. How excited. I can feel a force. There's a force pushing us. It will not be easy to crush these, but it will be fun. Assume battle positions. It will not be easy to crush them.
Are you prepared to join my battalion?
Yes.
Did I get the impression that there was an option?
No.
Recruit.
Step this way.
Next in line.
Remain calm, citizens. You are now under the protection of the First Order.
Keep looking. They're here.
Orders received, Captain.
The First Order is watching. Keep that in mind should you try to play them.
Go ahead, make it quick.
I believe we've reached your departure time.
Affirmative.
Cheap for photo pass when Disney charged you 129 in Florida.
Yeah, photo pass is 40 quid. We don't know if that's just for one day. What we decided to do is not to go for the photo pass. And now when you look at how much it costs for one photograph, well they needed 2 photographs, didn't they? Assuming that photo pass covers that. Not to worry, it's a decision you make. We'll just take our own photographs. The command post. 11 to passing. 2 minutes. So what we will do, we're going to sit on these benches for a while, and then we'll go and do the Iron Man thing. Yeah. Moving on. Okay guys, we're going to go and meet BB-8. And somebody's pleased to see us coming. Hi. Thank you. Oh, cool. Okay, in we go.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yeah, that'll be filming, so you just keep pointing.
And then.
It's going.
Okay. Just video.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, BB-8. Hello. Am I allowed to touch? No. Hello. I don't speak binary. Sorry, I don't speak binary.
more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
This way.
Oh, went wrong way.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay guys, what we're going to do now, when we can get in, is Marvel's Iron Man experience.
Tour of Stark Tower. Your route will give you a beautiful view of the city of Hong Kong. When you reach Stark Tower, you'll be able to safely disembark for your up-close tour of the largest arc reactor in the world. But now, it's time for me to introduce you to your pilot today. Jarvis.
唔該晒，黃小姐。
Jarvis is an autonomous artificial intelligence interface created by Tony Stark.
講得冇錯，我已經被載入鐵甲號嘅運作系統，可以全方位控制飛行汽車。我相信我哋好快就可以起飛。
Thank you, Jarvis. We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information. You are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by. The launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集衝擊光炮。
Not the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。 前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以，立即接放閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? Busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技展。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，史達先生。飛行穩定器恢復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know. Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Whoa! Get out of here! Go! Nice work! Let's get you back to the expo.
大家唔使驚，我哋一齊解決佢。
Hey, miss me?
史達先生，
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Get him armed, Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed?
史達先生小心。
I am really... Whoa! Go! I thought Ultron was tough. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we going to take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史達先生，
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness? Well, shoot that! Yeah!
客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much. Uh-oh.
系統冇
Yeah, your power's failing. Shoot me the grappling cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史達先生，我哋就嚟到晒。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I've got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cables. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even... Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!